Hey there, do you want to buy a ASUS laptop and you want a discount and that's why you are looking for a coupon code? Then this video is for you. Welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can find working coupon code for ASUS laptop. I have selected 3 websites for working coupon code here. The first one is simplycodes.com. You can search simplycodes.com/store/asus.com. From this page you can find so many coupon codes. Just type this address on your search bar and you will find this page. From here you can find latest updated coupon codes. As you can see here, this is the coupon codes of November 2024 and the date is mentioned here, that is 19th November, and there is 69 active community members sharing ASUS coupon code this month. The most interesting thing is they are sharing daily special offer. Just you can see here, today they are offering the special offer free shipping on orders over $29 at ASUS. Also down here you can find today's verified ASUS coupons and older and less reliable ASUS coupons. You can see all the coupon code from this button, show other coupon code, and here you can see many more options are available for you. You can choose one and try it out. Here you can see today's verified ASUS coupon code. It is 33% off. Just click on it, and if you have any ad blocker like uOrigins, just delete this or turn off for this domain. And here after you click the coupon code, you will redirect it to the ASUS official website. Here you can see it is a Black Friday sale. Just here you can see it is a Black Friday sale, and this offer just redirected to the offer page of official ASUS website. Now you can get this code by clicking on it, and you can just copy it on your clipboard, and this is for $350 off. Also you can find many more coupon code that you can try out, just like here it is 15% off. This is for 15% off select ExpertBook business laptop at ASUS. Now this is for the laptop coupon code. Just copy it and go to the ASUS laptop website and paste it there at the coupon code section, then complete the purchase and you will get 15% off. Sometimes it might not work. If it doesn't work, click on no, and if it is, then click on yes. For this, other can be aware about this coupon code that are working or not. Now head to the second website, that is Worth a Penny. Just type on your search tab asus.worthepenny.com/coupon/. Now from here you also can find so many options and coupons that are offering huge discount. This is the today's best offer. This is 20% off in at the peaks of any ASUS favorite products. You can click on view my offers, and you can find all the offers or coupon code that are available for today. Now for copy or get a coupon code, you can just click on show code, and here you can find the code. You can simply click on this copy button to copy this code. You can see this coupon code can apply for the ASUS laptop, and this coupon code contain 20% off for purchasing any laptop of ASUS. Just go to the laptop that you want to buy and apply this coupon code and complete the purchase process. Then the coupon code will be applied as discount. Now the third one is Discope. You need to type on your search tab is discope.com/as/offer code discount asus. HTML. From here you can search for the ASUS coupon code. You just need to type ASUS laptop. Sorry, there is no specific coupon code. You can just click on ASUS, and here you can find the coupon code available for purchasing ASUS product that you can apply to purchase a product in discount. Now here you can find the Black Friday offer coupon code. In this November, there are offer ongoing on ASUS website, that is Black Friday offer. You can get code by clicking on this button, and also you can see the expiry date of this coupon just down of the button here. Just click on get code, and here you will find the code, and you can copy the code on your clipboard, and here they will redirect you to the ASUS official website. From here you can get the full benefit of the offer, Black Friday or other offers or the coupon. Then you just need to click on the laptop you want to purchase, and you need to add that laptop on your cart. Now select the warranty. If you want any warranty, then select it. After that, just click on review cart, and here you can see here the box for applying coupon code. Just paste it here and click on apply. By this you can get a discount, a huge discount on your laptop that you want to purchase from ASUS website. That's how you can use the coupon code. And here is the important things to know, that sometimes it might not work on this website just because of the code could be expired, or the offer has ended, or the coupon code is for some limited person and the limit has reached. Just for example, if this code is for 20 people and 20 people just redeem this code, then you can redeem this code. After you just paste this code on the redeem section of ASUS website, then it will say that the code is not working, or the code is expired, or something like some error will show up under the box. So remember, you have to choose latest codes and use it as soon as possible. Also, you should try with all of these codes that are available in these websites. Who knows which code will work for you. Another best way is stay updated with the company and the events. You can find the events and the sale and discount and coupon code from their official websites and the social media that are included at the footer section of ASUS official website. You can follow their social media account like Facebook, Instagram, Discord and Twitter, where they post some discount offers and some events, also some coupon codes for some limited time. So you just need to grab them as soon as possible, as fast as possible. They also provide huge special discount in special occasion. You just need to talk with a representative of the company online or live in store. In store, you just need to inquire a little about the discount. You can just talk with a representative about it, and if available, then they can cut the discount off from your total amount. That's how you can get coupon codes for purchasing a ASUS laptop. Hope you find this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, happy shopping!